Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we'll learn how you can fix your sign up problem on Roblox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. So let's begin. First of all, open up your Roblox application on your device. You can create an account by simply selecting the sign up button at the login page. Here it will ask you to enter your credentials. If you enter a random name, it's likely that Roblox will show an error because of its strict rules and regulations. Its algorithms are designed in the way that it requires for you to enter a valid name based on the description present beneath name dialog box. Here just type in the name. Note that you can only use underscores as special characters. After typing your name and entering your birthday, simply select sign up and you're done. That's how you can fix your sign up problem on Roblox. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.